Hi guys, this is Nathan Tusi with Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm actually in our live trading room right now, and I wanted to record the setup that I'm thinking about taking. Um, this is the euro dollar, and I'm on a 4-hour chart right now. And as you can see, I've drawn a trend line here that is tested a few times. And what's interesting about the euro dollar is that it's been testing a certain level for quite some time, and has not been able to cross through it. Now, as you can see when I zoom all the way out to a weekly chart, this level here, which is the 129.90 level, has rejected price several times. So with that in mind, I'm looking for bounces upward. And when I zoom back into my 4-hour, you can see that we're making a move upward here. Based on these tests of this trend line, I'm looking for a long entry. But one of my trading rules is that I always wait for a bar to close before I take the entry. So I'm waiting for this bar to close to see if I am in fact going to get some follow through back to the upside. As we know, any trend line can be broken at any time. So in order for me to be confident in taking a long entry, I want to see that price is in fact going that direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom right into my hourly chart, and I'm going to wait for an hourly close. And if the hourly does in fact close strong, and what I mean by strong is simply above this previous high of this red bearish bar. So if it closes in the shape that it is now, I will not be taking an entry. But if it does in fact close above this previous high on this bar, then I will be taking a long entry, and I'll be targeting a little bit lower than this rounding here. So probably about the 132.10 or 132.11 area, slightly below this previous high. So that's the setup I'm looking for right now, and then I'm planning on advising the trading room to go in on. However, it all depends on how this hourly bar looks. As you can see right now, it's not looking very good, but we have some time left in it, and so we'll see how it turns out. I'll go ahead and pause this video, and I will return to it when the hourly bar is closing. Alright guys, as you can see, this 1 hour bar just closed 1 minute ago, and we're just shy of that high that I mentioned I needed to enter. So even though I still really would like to take this long, I'm going to follow my rules and not go long here, and simply wait for the next hourly bar to close. If it does close above this level, then I will once again take a long. And I'm not too upset here because it seems like we're getting some rounding back up to the upside, which is perfectly fine with me. Just got to be patient. So I will wait for this next bar to close. I'm definitely interested in taking it long. Wish that I would have got a better candle on the last hourly bar, but as we say, we are paid to wait. We're not paid to trade. So I'll be waiting and see what this next hourly bar delivers. And you never know, in the next hour we might find out that not taking this candle saved me some money. So I'll go ahead and pause this video and be back with you in about an hour. Alright guys, I'm back here. It's about 11:05, and as I mentioned before, I did not take this signal. That's a good thing because Euro crashed right through on the next hourly. So good thing that we did follow our signal there, and didn't take the entry. I'm still not completely off the idea of taking along here. It broke my trend line, but obviously this a trend line, is not an exact line. So if you pull your trend line back or adjust it, you can still justify taking a position. But we'll see how it reacts. It still kind of has that rounding shape to it. So I remain stalking a bullish entry here, and we will see how it turns out. Hey guys, Nathan Tusi with Winner's Edge Trading. As you can see, I just entered this long euro dollar trade that we talked about in the previous video. As you can see, the trade did round up after this tail shot through. Very glad I didn't enter on this bar. I would have been stopped out immediately. So I'm in now, just entered the trade a few seconds ago, and I'm down about 3 pips because of the spread. My stop loss is below this previous tail, which is about a 20 pip stop, and my target is below these previous highs, which is about a 70 pip target. So I have a pretty good risk reward ratio, something that I'm definitely pleased with, and I'll be trying to take advantage of a nice bounce off of this trend line, and I'll be looking for a place to comfortably move my stop up to break even, so I'm trading with no risk. I will keep in touch with you as the trade moves on. I assume that it'll take a little bit of time, but I'll update you as it goes along. Hopefully, we get a nice kick back up to the top of the trend. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, this is Nathan Tusi following up with that Euro-Dollar trade that I entered in. As you can see, we're a few hours into the trade and it's moving up pretty nicely. I'm only up about 18 pips right now, looking for my 70 pip target up here. So as you can see, it's continued to round out very nicely and head up. What I'm expecting is probably some soft movement for a few more hours and then some very strong movement during the London session. Of course, that strong movement could also be reversal movement, so I'll be looking to move my stop up very soon. But so far, things look good. I'm very confident in the trade, and I'll update you a few hours later. Hi guys, this is Nathan Ducey, and I'm just following up with the trade entry that I made yesterday. As you can see, we've had a little bit more follow through to the upside, but it definitely has not hit my target yet. I'm up about 30 pips here, and as I suspected, it kind of was slow movement through the Asia session, and then we did get some nicer movement in London, but it was kind of canceled out by the end of the session. So right now it's just kind of channeling in this 131.65 area, and I'm up 30 pips. I've moved my stop up to break even, actually +1, and I'm just waiting for the next move. So I'll update you on that, and hopefully we'll get another nice move to the upside and hit that target. All right. All right, guys. Nathan again. Just want to let you know that a little bit ago I did hit my target. I apologize for not having the recorder ready for that action, but what happened was we got some light channeling here. I was tempted to book the trade and get out during this red bearish candle here, but once again I followed my rules and it turned out really nicely. We got an immediate massive rejection bar followed through in the next hour. So we did hit that 70 pip target, which is a nice target, especially because my stop loss was only about 20 pips when I entered the trade. So I feel good about the trade. I'm not exactly sure what my next entry would be concerning the euro dollar, because there's some harsh resistance in this area. It could be a nice short, but also I'm not convinced that it won't break through this level. So I will update you on what my next trade is. But for now, happy with the 70 pip target. Thank you.